I spent years swallowing disrespect until I realized that I was literally training people to walk all over me. And now I'm the CEO of Acquisition.com. I helped thousands of business owners grow because I stopped tolerating that bull and I started commanding respect through action. So if you're sick of being talked over, torn down, or treated like a joke, here are 6 tactics that will teach people to respect you. Number 1, respect starts with you. Let's start with the biggest lie you've ever been told. Respect is earned from others. You don't earn respect. You set the standard for it. And most people set the bar way too low. Self-respect is built. It is not begged for. And chasing respect is actually the fastest way to lose it. Every day people walk into rooms, begging, pleading, desperate to be respected. Maybe it's a boss who undervalues you. Maybe it's a partner who doesn't honor you. Or maybe it's a friend who takes you for granted. But here's the truth. You do not get respect by asking for it. All these tips and tricks, body language, long stares, they're stupid. They're not reality. The real foundation is this. You don't even respect yourself. And so you get respect by becoming the person who would not tolerate that disrespect in the first place. Because if you tolerate it with yourself, you'll tolerate it from others. Respect is not earned from people. It is maintained within yourself. And then others catch up. People respecting you is a lagging indicator of you respecting yourself. You go first. The world follows. And the fastest way to lose respect is to beg for validation from people who don't even respect themselves. A woman came to me 4 years ago. She said, "Larry doesn't respect me." But what I saw was someone who didn't respect herself. She didn't speak with certainty. She didn't advocate for herself. She allowed people to speak over her. So she taught them how to treat her. And when I asked her, "Do you know what self-respect looks like?" she said, "I actually don't." And that's the trap. Someone disrespects you. You feel small, angry, frustrated. So you try to prove yourself. And they respect you even less. You raise your voice. You get aggressive. And then you lose even more self-respect. And the cycle repeats. Respecting yourself does not make you selfish. It makes you stable. Because your boundaries are clear. Your standards are non-negotiable. Trying to earn respect by tolerating disrespect is like trying to get healthy by eating cake. Number 2, we measure people by what they cost us, not what they say. If someone makes it harder to be the person you respect being, they are too expensive. Ask yourself, do I like who I am around them? Do they elevate me or derail me? Does being with them move me closer or further from my values? Staying with someone who cheats makes you lose respect for yourself. Same in the workplace. You don't manage toxic people. You leave. Because you can't change them. You can only change the situation. And the situation won't change unless you do. Self-respect is not a feeling. It's a system. You don't feel it. You do it. You build it by keeping your word to yourself, leaving environments that pull you out of alignment, choosing discomfort over self-abandonment. I left a gym job once because they asked me to sell myself instead of my skill. I chose discomfort over losing my dignity. And that is how you build self-respect. Speak truth without emotionally vomiting. Ask yourself, what do I want to happen from this? Not, how do I feel? Because emotional explosions feel good short-term and destroy you long-term. Self-respect is built, one rep at a time. Respect is taught through consequences, not conversation. Words don't change people. Actions do. Leave the room. Remove the access. Withdraw the privilege. That's power. Mastering your emotions is one of the highest forms of self-respect. No yelling, no drama, just calm, decisive action. High-respect people don't argue to be valued. They just leave. They already decided their worth. Walking away is not quitting. It is choosing yourself. And that's why respect doesn't start with others. It starts with you, with what you tolerate, with how you behave, with who you choose to be. Because the version of you that you are trying to become cannot survive in a place where you keep disrespecting yourself. Thank you.